Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Rachel Gray here. On this channel you can find curly hair content, you can find sensitive skin content, and every now and then some mental health content. Today we're going to be diving into this hairstyle which I've seen all over model TikTok. It's like this really clean look that really goes along with my aesthetic, which is simple, clean, and it's like the perfect slick back bun, but you've also got a little flare because you've got this part in the middle. I was wondering, how can I recreate this for my hair type, which is 3A curly hair? So I created this video for you guys, and I am wearing a blazer today because I think it's perfect for those days in the office or those meetings over Zoom. So I really hope that you enjoy this video. Please keep watching and like and comment your thoughts. I would love to hear from you. Also follow me on Instagram, Rachel Michaela Gray. I appreciate you. For this style to work, you will need to start on 3-day or some old hair that has run its course. You're gonna need a brush. You're gonna need a comb. You're gonna need bobby pins. You're gonna need some type of styling cream. I'm using the One by Twist. So I brushed out my hair, but basically I just brushed through my curls. And this is the only video where you will see me recommending to brush through your curls. But I basically brushed out my curls. And so my hair looks extremely puffy. And my hair is naturally parted right down the middle, but you're going to want to kind of also separate the front part of your hair. So I'm just going to section off the front part of my hair. Now you're going to use some styling cream. You're going to kind of smooth over the rest of your hair. I don't use that much styling cream because if you have 3A hair and you've already put product in it, that means that you've got some product, but you kind of want a slicked back look, so you'll just want to put it at the front pieces. Okay, so now you're going to use your brush to smooth the product into your hair. Okay, just make sure it's extremely smooth. Now I'm going to create a bun. So you want to make sure that where you're kind of placing your hair is not at the nape of your neck, but it's a little further up. So I like to put it right here, like right at my ear level, as if you were going to put it into a scrunchie and do a ponytail. Just make sure the front sections are really smooth out. This is important because what makes this look is really like the slicked back nature of it. Once I do that, I just kind of twirl my hair around my thumb to create the bun. Okay, so you want to do that a couple times, and then finally this is starting to take shape. So now I will create my bun. I'm going to turn to the side so you guys can see. Just creating the bun. Perfect. Alright, so when I'm here, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a bobby pin, and you'll want to insert it this way, not this way, this way. Okay, so I'm going to open it up and I'm going to insert it this way. This really holds the hair in place, and if you have thicker hair than me, you'll want to put a few more, but honestly that's quite enough for me. Alright, so you'll want to take some more styling cream and put it into the front sections of your hair. I'm going to use the brush to smooth out the front pieces. going to take this piece of hair and I'm going to wrap it underneath my bun. Don't do it on top, do it underneath, okay? So wrap it around, and then when you're done wrapping, use a bobby pin to secure it, okay? Do the same exact thing with this side. So underneath, wrap around, and then use a bobby pin to secure it. Now, the rest of the hair, if there are any flyaways or anything that looks like it could be put together better, you're going to use some of your styling cream to just make sure that everything is slicked back well. Now for, this is a Merit Beauty, I think it's called Boy Brow, but it has a tint to it, and I like to like put it in the sides of my hair. I find as though like where I don't have hair, it kind of fills the empty space. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and I will be back with my final thought. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope that this tutorial gave you some insight on how to really style your hair in this slicked back model bun look. The makeup that I usually pair with this is very simple, very just like I, you know, put myself together but I didn't do too much look. The products I use are mostly from Merit Beauty. I will put a link to my video on them, and I usually do this for work or if I'm going out on, I don't know, a shopping trip or something and I don't have time to do my hair, like all the bells and whistles, I'll do this instead. I think it's really versatile and it just gives that clean look without really trying too hard. Usually it takes me 5 minutes to do. So I hope this helps you guys in some way, shape, or fashion. Please, please, please don't forget to like this video, comment, leave me a message, connect with me on Instagram, and subscribe. I appreciate you. Bye guys.